Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we are going to begin our first unit, the invention of shoes. As we already discussed in last class, the invention of shoes, the story was written by Ravindranath Tagore, and we already discussed a brief profile about Ravindranath Tagore, that he was famous Indian poet, educator, painter, and social reformer. And he was the first Indian who won the Nobel Prize in literature, and he won the Nobel Prize in literature in 1913 for his beautiful collection of verses called Gitanjali. He had a deep interest and love towards the children, and he has written many poems about them. So, by this, we can move to the first paragraph of the chapter. Here we go. Once upon a time, there was a king called Hobu. One morning, he summoned his minister and said, "Listen, Goburai, I stayed up all night thinking, why should the dust dirty my royal feet whenever I stepped on the ground?" And the name of the king is Hobu. One day morning, he called his minister and said to him that he was worrying about a problem. That is, all night he was thinking about that particular problem in order to find a solution for that. What was his worries? That is, he was worrying about why should the dust dirty his royal feet whenever he steps on the ground. So, whenever he moved or walking through the ground, his royal feet got dirty by the dust. So, he wanted to solve this problem. So, he asked his minister to find a solution for that. And all you people, you are only concerned with pocketing your fat salaries. And he said that all including his minister and also others who are working in the king's palace, they all are concerned or all are interested to get their salaries. And the king said that you have no concern for the king or the king's kingdom or the problems that bothers me. And the king said that all the people or all are there in the kingdom or in a king's palace are not interested in having any interest towards the king or towards the kingdom or the problems of the king. And he said, you must put an end to this at once, or else no one shall be spared from my royal wrath. And he said that you must find a solution for this problem, otherwise all will be having spared from the royal wrath. Royal wrath means the anchor, that is no one will be excluded, all will be included, and all will has to face the anchor of king. So next, that is Roborai wondered and worried. He pondered and perspired. The pundits' faces turned pale. The courtiers' nights turned sleepless. In the kitchen, the cooking stopped. In the castle, the crying started. So now, what the Gobo Rai, the minister, he became very much worried because he has to find a solution for the problem of the king. So he pondered and perspired. Pondered means thought about the problem deeply, and perspired means sweated. So our minister became very much thinking about this problem. He was thinking about this problem always, and he perspired. Perspired means sweated. So, and also the pundit's face turned pale, the courtier's nights turned to sleepless. And here now the pundits also faces turned to pale, and the courtiers nights turned sleepless. So courtiers also cannot able to sleep at night. In the kitchen, the cooking also was stopped, and in the castle, the crying started. So castle also started crying. Then Gobo Rai looked far and wide and gathered all the scientists and learned men, all the scholars and mechanics he could find. And now the Gobo Rai, the minister, looked far and wide. He just gathered, he just find the scientists and learned men and also the scholars and mechanics, those who are there in that particular kingdom. He called upon them together. They pushed their glasses up their noses and sat down to find a solution to the royal problem. So all of them came together, and they were sitting together, and they were thinking deeply in order to solve the problem of the king. After thinking a long and deep, they said, "If you do away with the soil, how will you grow crops?" And after thinking, they were thinking a lot, and they said, if you do away with the soil, how will you grow crops? Do away with means remove or get rid of. And he said, if we are removing all the soils from this earth, then if there is no soil, how can we grow crops? How can have the cultivation, or how can we have the cultivation of crops? So that was the another question. If we are removing all this soil, or if we are staying away from a soil, if we are not touching, or if we are just staying away from the soil, then how can we make the crops? How can we grow the crops? The king replied, if you can't figure out how, then of what use are you? And by this the king came and just asked that if you cannot figure it out, if you cannot find a solution for this problem, then what is the use of you all? What is the use of them by just keeping them in the kingdom or in the palace and they cannot able to solve a problem, then what is the use of them? That was a question which was asked from the our king called his name is Hobu, the king Hobu. This is him Hobu, King Hobu, and he was very much worried about what? About he was worried about why should the dust dirty his royal feet whenever he steps on the ground.